Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can fix third-party software is interfering with Roblox after installing Neverness to Everness. So the first solution is you have to restart your PC and then try to launch the Roblox and see if it works or not. And most of the time restarting your PC will fix the problem. Now, if this doesn't work, the next solution you can try is go to your Windows search and type Windows PowerShell and open up your Windows PowerShell. And here you have to type this command. I will provide this command in this video description and then hit enter. After that, just restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, try to launch the Roblox and see if this works or not. Now, if you want to permanently fix this problem, you have to uninstall Neverness to Everness, also uninstall the Roblox and then reinstall the Roblox on your PC, and that's how you can permanently fix this problem. And I hope guys this video works, and if it did, please like this video and thanks for watching.